Good morning, lovely people. So, I've been looking for a way to retarget visitors based on their video activity to narrow down further. If a visitor watch a embedded YouTube video on my page, can I retarget these people? So I wrote a blog post about this couple of days back. Basically, what happened was I found how Wistia does it, and I looked for a way if someone has implemented way for YouTube videos. There wasn't directly, so I went ahead and wrote a little script that does the job. So basically what this script does is it keep an eye on visitors YouTube watching progress and then inject the code at a given time. By code I mean the Facebook pixel. So I've been messing with Clickfunnels a little bit, and I wanted to integrate this. So I thought of instead of writing a post, why don't I record a screencast? And this is like my third attempt to record this screencast. So hopefully this time it will go through. So before we start, we need to install this nifty plugin called Facebook Pixel Helper. I am using Google Chrome here, as you can see. And if you are working with Facebook advertising pixels and stuff, I highly recommend you install this little helper plugin. So what happens is when you install this plugin, it's easy, by the way. Just Google up Pixel Helper. The first link you get from the Chrome's plugin store is this plugin. Once you install it, you will see something like this in the toolbar. I guess that's the right one. So how does this plugin works is, say on your page, and you want to debug a pixel. Now when you can see, when I am in my website, it shows that it has 3 pixels. Oh, even it gives the warning, which I didn't know until now. So yeah, you get the idea. So make sure you have this plugin installed, and then this is the post regarding the Clickfunnels. I'm gonna close out my old one. Alright, so first one, we have the plugin installed to debug the Facebook pixel, and in here I have a little Clickfunnels opt-in page set up. Nothing fancy, it's a template that they give. So this has a video and opt-in form. So for the video, I've went ahead and put a simple YouTube link. Again, nothing fancy, the same link you are getting from YouTube. So what you need to do is, in this post I have given a simple little code snippet to copy. So the copying is very easy if you go to the raw view. So how you do that is click the view raw link in here, and if you're watching the video, this code is below the video, by the way. Alright, so this will give you the code plain sight, so it's easy for you to copy. I'm gonna press Ctrl A or Command A if you're in a Mac, and copy it. Come to Clickfunnels. Now like I said, I already have the video set up. You need to have a YouTube video embedded in the page for this to work. And alright, so under settings, go to tracking code, and in tracking code switch to footer code and paste the code you copied from my site right here. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to give this script your Facebook pixels ID. Alright, so the way you get your pixel ID is from your Facebook's ad manager. You can see the pixel ID. So this is kind of like shown everywhere throughout the ads manager. So you can basically copy this pixel ID of your pixel and paste it. I'm gonna leave the dummy one here. So paste your pixel ID here, and second one, this one I'll get to it in a second. Third one, injection progress, is where you want the script to inject the code. So I have put 50 here. That basically means at 50% inject the pixel code. So what's gonna happen is the script gonna wait until the user comes to the 50% of the progress of the video and then inject it. So you can change this number to something like 20%, 30%, but I'm gonna keep it at 50, but you get the idea, right? Alright, that's it. And then I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna save this page, saved. All right, and I'm gonna now preview this. All right, now keep an eye on the video and this pixel plugin right here. So you can I have enabled control, so I can just seek this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the video all the way up to here. All right, keep an eye what happened. So if you saw this, you might have seen this became 1, right? So that basically means the pixel inserted in the video when the visitor came all the way past the 50%. Let's see this again. All right, I'm going to reload the page. All right, so all right, nothing here, it's all blank and gray. Okay, video is playing. I'm gonna bring this video to, so it's 628. Let me bring it to, that means 314 is the halfway. All right, I'm gonna bring it to here. Let's see what happens. All right, nothing. All right, so it passed 50% and it injected the code at the right time. All right, all good. See, that's easy, right? So the next thing is what this thing called custom event. So by default, what the pixel does is it tracks a page view. So if I check this pixel through pixel helper, it says a page view. Ignore this warning sign because we have this dummy number set up. It says invalid pixel ID, but by default what the pixel code you get from Facebook is a page view. But if you are working with custom events, like what I basically do is for these kind of stuff, I set up a custom conversion called watched video. So the advantage of this is when you are running an ad, you can basically target the people who actually watch the video through custom conversions. I'm not going to cover custom conversions in this video, but look it up. You can set up a custom conversion, and what you can do is, say you have set up a custom conversion called watched video. In the code, now I am back in Clickfunnels, my landing page, and instead of putting false here, I had false here. You can within quotes type the name of this event. So what's going to happen is, instead of injecting the typical Facebook pixel code, the script going to actually inject the custom event code. So the killer feature of this is you can target the people who actually visited the page as well as people who watched the actual video. This is powerful, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload this page. I think I saved this. Let's see. All right, same thing. I'm going to drag all the way up to here this time. Okay, injected the pixel, and if I check, all right, now it's, instead of the page view, it's now sending the event to Facebook called watched video if you have the right pixel. So that's it, guys. Hope it's pretty straightforward, and if you have any questions, type in my post comment. I will try to help you guys as much as I can. Thank you.